Hello to everybody today. Thank you for joining me. My name's Pixie. I enjoy fashion, personal care, and the beauty industry from an angle of sustainability and practical use. So if you're into any of those things, or if you're trying to be a little more practical with what you buy, feel free to join me. Let's get ready for tomorrow. I haven't gone to the beach so far this year. It's finally warm enough to do so, and I'm excited. I don't own very many swimsuits, and my favorite one has got to be this hot pink bikini. I should probably see if it still fits me. I could see this working. I feel like for a hot day, for the beach, I feel like I should be wearing something light and little. These are probably the sneakers I'll wear. I also don't know for sure. The only pair of sandals I really own are these beautiful bad boys. As someone who hates bare feet, I could easily do a little white sock, but I would need something good to wear. Haven't even worn this since I bought it, but I think I like this. Warmer white against a cooler white. I don't think I can wear these together, but I was just checking. It'd be cute if they matched. I'm debating whether I should go ahead and pick makeup too, or ready a beach bag. So for the last couple years, this has been my faithful beach tote. It looks so much less beaten up than it should, honestly. But if I wanted to carry a purse instead, this could be a pretty good match. So the sun hat goes in the beach bag. I should probably put these shoes back in the box until tomorrow. But I feel better and more confident knowing what I plan to wear and knowing that it's something that I'm going to feel good and look good in. It may seem silly to plan in advance for things that aren't special occasions or super important events. And you know what? Maybe it is, but I enjoy doing it. I find it fulfilling, and my personal track record of having fun, feeling confident, really feeling my best when I'm with my friends, it feels nice. It makes me feel confident and organized. Come tomorrow, I can just throw myself together and not be stressed about how it's gonna look, because I already tried it on and I already know how it's gonna look. I might want to pick a little bit of makeup that goes well with these colors. I will grab a different top for after swimming. I've worn this 1,000 times, so I don't have to try it on. Beach outfit all ready. Beach bag with my little cover up and my hat is prepared. I'm gonna grab some sunscreen next. a Beach Defense Spray sunscreen, which is great for reapplication, and my Vacation Classic Whip, which is one of my favorite sunscreens. This stuff. This one's gonna go in my handbag. This is my makeup caboodle. She's dirty and stained, and that's fine. All right, I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow.